Hey guys, John here over at Byrider in Green Bay. Just taking a second to tell you why now might be a really good time to trade in your current vehicle. So, I traded in my vehicle when I bought my new car. I had a 2002 Lincoln LS, loved it. It was a great running car for a little bit when I bought it. Then we started having issues. Had a lot of mechanical problems that popped up, needed all new body parts, all new control arms, all kinds of stuff, and it was just kind of just falling apart. And I was putting more money into that vehicle every month in repairs than I was putting into the vehicle I have now as a car payment. And I was getting nothing for it. So if you have an old vehicle right now and you're looking to possibly try to trade it in and get something newer, nicer, it's a really good option to do it. Our bank loves trade-ins. We'll take anything in on trade. It can have a blown-up engine. We'll still take it in on trade. And it'll help you get into something newer and nicer and something that's reliable for you. We put a service contract in all our vehicles here that covers them for the first 48,000 miles or 48 months, whatever comes first. And we do want to see if we can get you in something that's better for you and helps build your credit. If you're making the same amount of money towards either repairs or a payment, you might as well get something out of it, right? So if you're looking for a vehicle, stop in and visit me at my location here at 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Take a look at our inventory. Or just give me a call at 920-455-7788 and let's get you driving. I look forward to working with you guys and hope you have a really great day.